welcome to this Fireball Beach race. So the rules are simple. 2 cars go head to head, race over this jump, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins. And you invited someone to be the judge today, didn't you? Yes, I did. The track's called Fireball Beach, so today's judge is this orange fuzzy ball. What? What's that got to do with Fireball Beach? Well, it's orange, like fire, and it's a ball, like fireball. I suppose it'll have to do. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Superman versus Mike up first.
Ready, go!
Oh dear, Mike fell off, and I think Superman reached the finish line.
Yep, he's close enough. Well done.
Simba versus Thomas.
Ready, go!
That was close, but Thomas won the race. Well done. Mickey Mouse versus Smokey.
Ready, go!
Another really close race, but Smokey edged it. Let's see it again. So close. SpongeBob versus which Funling?
Come on, SpongeBob.
Ready, go!
Which Funling wins? Because SpongeBob crashed. Well done. Wizard Funling versus Gecko.
Come on, Gecko.
Ready, go!
Gecko didn't make the jump, so it's an easy win for Wizard Funling.
No.
King Leonard versus Woody.
Ready, go!
They both crashed, but Woody crashed into the finish line, so you're into the next round. Spider-Man versus Nemo.
Ready, go!
Oh, Nemo fell off the track, so Spider-Man wins and goes through. And McQueen versus Chase.
Ready, go!
Chase didn't want to make the jump, so McQueen wins.
So these cars won that round. Who can win again? You won't win again. Yes, I will. You won't. We'll see about that.
Superman versus Thomas.
Ready, go!
Superman wins. Well done. Smokey versus which Funling?
Ready, go!
Smokey wins. Which Funling rolled back? So well done, Smokey. Wizard Funling versus Woody.
I'll show which Funling how to win.
Ready, go!
Wizard Funling wins. He reached the finish line first. Well done.
Yes. Ow.
And Spider-Man versus McQueen.
Ready, go!
Whoa! McQueen smashed Spider-Man off the track. Let's see that again. He was just too strong for Spider-Man there.
McQueen didn't reach the finish, but he does win, right? Yeah! Okay then. Well done, McQueen. So these are our final 4, which 2 of them will be our finalists.
Superman versus Smokey.
Ready, go!
Smokey wins. So you're our first finalist. And Wizard Funling versus McQueen.
Ready, go!
Oh, it's close, but McQueen is much closer to the finish line, so you're our other finalist. Unlucky Wizard Funling.
No! So, this is it. The final between Smokey and McQueen. It's an all-cars final, and we'll have 1 race and 1 winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Oh, McQueen knocked Smokey off the edge and over the line.
So today's winner is Smokey! Well done.